Welcome to another episode of Tech Geeks, your one-stop shop for technology information. I'm your host, Don. Today we're going to look at some of the parts of your computer. On display here are all the parts you're going to need to build your own computer. First on the list is the case housing, which is what holds everything in place and protects everything from dust. Next, we have the motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board and contains all the connectors that allow you to connect other boards. Typically, the motherboard holds a CPU, BIOS, memory, mass storage interfaces, serial and parallel port expansion slots, and all the controllers required to control standard peripheral devices, such as the display screen, keyboard, and disk drive. So this may sound a little overwhelming, but all you need to know is that the motherboard connects all the other pieces together. If you need more detailed information, check out webipedia.com. So let's move on to the CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit, which is the most important device on your computer. The CPU is located here and has two components. It's been glued to the motherboard, so that's why for this tutorial I'm just going to leave it the way it is. The first component is the arithmetic logic unit, which performs arithmetic and logical operations. The other part is called the control unit, which extracts instructions from memory, decodes, and then executes them. Moving on, we have the hard disk drive. The HDD reads and writes data to the hard drive. The time it takes to read and write that data takes approximately 12 milliseconds or less. The items here are referred to RAM, which simulate a hard drive. You can access files from the RAM as you would just a real disk. Applications that require frequent accesses are stored on the RAM because the RAM can access that information 1,000 times faster than a hard drive. So let's look at the optical drive, which is also referred to the disk drive. This device allows you to play DVDs and CDs. This one is an internal drive and it goes inside your computer. You can also get external drives that plug into your USB ports if you can't install an internal one, or perhaps you need more space for files. This oversized device right here is the power supply unit, or the PSU. A PSU should have the same watts required by the manufacturer specs because it regulates the amount of electricity sent and received to your computer. That means if your computer stops working because of a power surge, replacing the PSU should get it back up and running. And last on the list is the video adapter. The video adapter plugs into the computer and enables things to display like video and other graphics. Another name for the video adapter is graphics card, and it's used to handle high-end graphics, such as like Blu-ray, DVDs, video games, and 3D software. Well, that about does it for this episode. I hope this information helps you better understand your computer. Once again, for more information, you can visit webipedia.com. Join us next time when we'll put all these parts together to build a working computer. I'm Don, and this has been Tech Geeks. Thanks for watching.